Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will see how to configure email settings in Nagios XI. I have opened the console for Nagios XI and first I will browse to my account, that is the Nagios admin. And here I have updated my email address, that is the learntocode94@gmail.com. Whatever your email address will be, please update here in the email address section. Now we will move to the admin section and click on email settings. Once we click on email settings, we can update the send from. In send from section, you can update your email address. Next, select the send method. Here I have selected SMTP with basic authorization or auth. Then under SMTP settings, you need to specify the host. We are using Gmail server as our mail server. So we are using host as smtp.gmail.com. Port would be 587. Username I would be using learn to code 94 at gmail.com. Now for generating the password, we need to use the app password. So just browse to the account settings of your Google account and select app password. And for create a new app, just mention the name, that is Nagios XI, or whatever the name you want to specify. Then click on create. It will ask for a prompt or verification from your end. Click on next. Once it's okay, so let me type the name again, Nagios XI. Click on create. So it does show me the app password for the device. So let me copy it and let me go to the administration page of email settings. I will just paste it and I will remove the spaces from here. After that, the security that I'm going to select is the TLS. After all these steps, I will update the settings. Once I have updated the settings, I just need to click on send a test email to check whether the emails are flowing properly or not. Once you click on send a test email, it will prompt that an email will be sent to this address learntocode94@gmail.com. If you want to change your email address, it would go to the user email address. You can specify whatever email address to which you want to send the email. Now, what you need to do, you need to click on send test email. So as you can see the information that a test email was sent to this email address, and what does the response we got from the PHP mailer is showing here. So let me go to my inbox. I can see that I have received an email around 11:43, that is the time, that this is a test email from Nagios XI. So this way we have configured the email in Nagios XI. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.